What's up guys, this is Pro Warriors. We are back with another OBS tutorial. In this video we are going to show you how to use a mobile camera as a webcam on PC or laptop. You might be thinking, why would I use a mobile even though I have a webcam? There is a very good reasons behind it, and after watching this video you will stop using your webcam. The very first and simple reason is, if you don't have a webcam, you have to attend an online class or Zoom meeting, even streaming event. In this case, your Android or iOS device can be turned into a webcam. It costs absolutely nothing. A traditional webcam has a low resolution and functionality than a smartphone camera. Generally, webcam contains 5 megapixel camera. On the other hand, a smartphone camera has at least 12 to 48 with high resolution, autofocus, AI, ISO and other features which are not available in a webcam. Another reason is flexibility. You can take the webcam everywhere, but is smartphone possible? You can use your mobile camera as a webcam at anywhere, anytime. Just connect your mobile to a PC or laptop and it will become a webcam. So let's get started. We can turn any mobile into a webcam with the help of Camo application. We have to download the Camo in our smartphone as well as PC or laptop. Camo is available for Android and iOS device, so you can easily get in from App Store. For Android, just open Play Store and search for Camo. Then download and install the Camo application in your device. It's a very small software, so it will take just a few minutes. After installing the Camo application on your device, allow device permissions because Camo needs this in order to use your device as webcam. Now open a browser on your Windows or Mac and search for Camo. I will give the website link in the description. For Windows, just click on download for Windows. If your machine is a Mac, click on other platforms. It's not a big file, so that it will take just a few seconds to download the package installer. Please keep patience until it completes the download. After downloading the package installer, install the Camo software in your PC or laptop and do the needful step to install the Camo in your PC or laptop. Now launch the Camo on your computer as well as smartphone. Camo will ask you to connect a smartphone. Two ways you can connect to a smartphone with PC: by using USB cable and Wi-Fi. Click on connect the device on your PC. It will give you barcode and click on Wi-Fi icon which is at the top on Camo app in your mobile. Scan the barcode and after start seeing your rear camera's feed on the Camo desktop app. If you want to connect to your smartphone by USB cable, you have to enable the USB debugging option from developer mode. To enable the USB debugging option, open your settings of your Android phone, then navigate to the About phone. Tap on the build number for 7 times to enable developer option. Once turned on, you can find it in additional settings, then developer mode. Scroll down to find USB debugging and toggle it on. You should start seeing your rear camera speed on the Camo desktop app. Let's describe the options of Camo software. At the top right corner, you can see the device name of your mobile and other information like battery, Wi-Fi, camera. You can select and change the lens available in your mobile. You can also customize the resolution and frame rates. From the list of resolution, you will get all the sizes and frame rates either at portrait or landscape. You will also find other options like audio settings, preset, overlay, framing, crop, rotation and image stabilization. Now move to the left side where you will find image enhancement. Using this tool, you can change the background of your video, and there is also option for image adjustment. By using this tool, you can adjust the exposure, white balance, saturation and other useful effects. Camo supports all major video conferencing, recording and streaming apps like Zoom and OBS Studio. Open OBS Studio, click on the plus icon to add new sources, then select video capture device. It will automatically detect Camo. Just click on OK button then set to the desired location on. If you are a streamer, you can set your video at the corner. If you want to record a tutorial video, then set it to full screen. That's it. In this video, we have learned how to use a mobile camera as a webcam using Camo application. If you think this video is useful, please like and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Take care.